Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Aerodrome. In today's video, I would like to show you this very big broadening rising wedge pattern that Aerodrome has formed on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, if I place this measurement tool from this low to the current high, you can see it was moving at 3.73 cents. And up till this high, you can see that it has surged more than 6,268%. And recently, it is once again rejected by the resistance of this wedge and dropped down at the support. And you can also observe that while moving inside this wedge, it has been breaking out different patterns. Like first it broke out this ascending triangle, then we had a nice pump, then it formed this falling wedge pattern, and then broke it out. Then we had another very nice pump, and recently it has formed another falling wedge pattern and dropped down at the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. At the same time, you can also observe that this red line, that is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart, is also working as a very nice support. The price then tested the support here, then again almost tested this EMA 21 support here as well. And here again it went very close to this support, but now it is testing the support for the past several days, and now the movement is quite squeezed between the EMA 21 support and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, there is also a hidden bullish divergence is also flashed, as you can see that the price line has formed a higher low than previous low. So far, it is not able to form another lower than previous low. At the same time, you can see that stochastic is forming a lower than previous low and enter the oversold zone, and therefore the price line can follow this signal because this is a very big price reversal, a bullish reversal signal, a hidden bullish divergence signal. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Daegu Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 5th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price had moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that since after 27th of Feb 2024, the price line is moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support, it is forming higher highs, and this time it has formed another higher than previous high. And while moving inside this wedge, first it broke out this ascending triangle, then we had a nice pump, then it formed this falling wedge pattern, then we had another breakout, then we had another very nice pump, and this time it has formed another falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish bias, therefore there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. And until or unless Aerodrome will not break down this uptrend line support, you can see that it is holding this support since after 27th of Feb 2024, and unless it will not break it down, this bull run for Aerodrome will be not finished. And this is a long-term bull run structure for Aerodrome. And right now you can see that it has formed another falling wedge pattern. The movement is quite squeezed between the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern and the falling wedge pattern, and also between the support of EMA 21 and this falling wedge pattern resistance. And at the same time, there is also a quite big hidden bullish divergence is flashed. You can see that the price line formed this low here, and the next low it is forming lower, higher than the previous one. But at the same time, stochastic has formed this low here, and the next low it is forming lower than the previous one. And at the same time, it has also entered the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we had a very, very massive rally that was more than 6,000% rally. And same as like that, if this time this rally will be started, another price reversal will be started, then we can expect another very, very massive pump if the price line, if stochastic will again move to the overbought zone from the oversold zone. Previously, you can see when it will move to the overbought zone here, and after some price correction, it again moved to the overbought zone, and again after some price correction, it again moved in the overbought zone. During this all move, it rallied more than 6,000%. Therefore, if it will be again moved to the overbought zone, then we can expect a very, very massive pump. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this wedge, let me just show you the target to the downside in case of breaking down this wedge. The target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 74.3 cents. That will be a quite big drop, and in that situation, we can break down this very significant support zone that starts from $1 and go to 87.42 cents, and you can see that here it has been breaking as a very, very strong resistance for several days, and therefore this time it can break as a support. However, the target to the downside is showing us the projection beyond this support, and it is possible that after breaking down this support, it may drop down to the next support of 60 cents. And in case of breaking out this this falling wedge pattern, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the bed. That will be approximately at $2.30. However, in my opinion, after breaking out this Fed, there will be a very high probability that the price line may break out this resistance of $2.37. That is, by the way, the highest price of the month of April 2024, and it can work as a very strong resistance. By the way, before that, we have a very a strong resistance here at $2. That is the highest price of the month of March 2024. You can see that now it is working as a very, very strong resistance. We had a long spike up to $2.37. The price line again moved down and could not break out this resistance, and then imminent move can be possible up to the next resistance. And after breaking out this level at $2.37, it can form another higher than previous high, and it can hit the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern somewhere here approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.